Hi, this is Tablet Store UK and we're going to take a look around the new Telechips 7-inch Android 2.1 tablet. First thing to notice about the device is it comes with a very nice case, which has got a magnetic latch, a hole for the speaker, which is actually very loud, a magnetic kickstand, which is attached like so you can view your movies without even having to hold it, and space all round so you can access the connections on the device. We've got the power on button, headphone jack, power in, USB to your computer, a mini HDMI socket, and this actually comes with an HDMI cable, and a large USB socket for connection of flash drives. So nice that you've got the big USB there. And on the bottom, what's quite nice is that you've got a large SD card slot, so you can take out SD cards from your camera and put it straight in there. Nothing on the right hand side or the top. Looking at the front, if we power it on, we've got soft buttons for menu, home and back, and this is quite a nice touch too, because after all this is how we use the tablet most of the time. You're going to be holding it both sides, and these buttons that you tend to need to access quite frequently in navigating around Android are exactly where you need them. And you can see immediately from the live wallpaper that this is Android 2.1. Just going to turn on my Wi-Fi and increase the volume as we'll be taking a look at some media. Wi-Fi reception is actually very good on this device. I would say probably better than the other tablets that we have in stock, which themselves are better than some of the rubbish out there. As is the battery life. The battery life on this is very, very good. Okay, let's jump in and take a look. We'll take a look first of all at the Android market. Perhaps the most asked question for our devices is, does it run the full Android market? And the answer is a most definite yes. You've also got Google Maps, of course. Take a look at web browsing. take a look at the YouTube client on here, which is quite competent.
What's happening for him? Hey, you know, you and I are friends, right? You know, like every now and then we feel the need to do a little chest bump, like these people.
Come over there. Oh no, you're already going. You're already going.
One, two, three.
Hi, Gil. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh my God! Oh my God! I mean, yeah, he knocked her on her ass.
The speaker on this tablet is exceptionally loud. And the other thing you notice really about everything you do on here is that it is pretty snappy. Page loading, media loading, moving around from one application to another, having multiple applications open. If we just switch back to that YouTube video at a more sensible volume.
What's happening for him? Hey, you know, you and I are friends, right? You know, like every now and then we feel the need to do a little chest bump, like these people.
Come over there. Oh no, you're already going. You're already going. One, two, three. Hi.
All units, we have a possible 407 in progress. Whoa, balls!
That's jumping to a point in the video ahead of what it's cached as well, and it's still very, very snappy. What impresses us most about this tablet is the video playback. It is far and above the best video playback that we have seen on any Android device so far. I'm just going to show you through some videos to demonstrate that. The first video is 1024 pixels wide. Remember, this is only an 800 wide screen, but obviously you have got the video out, and this is at 2000 kilobits, 2 megabits per second. It's an MP4 file. It's a trailer of Avatar.
Jake Sully? I'd like to talk to you about a fresh start on a new world.
2 viewers for you.
Jake, it's real simple. I want you to learn from the inside. I want you to gain their trust.
In short, the video looks great, the sound is good, which is the first time I found myself saying that on an Android tablet. You can jog around the film no problem. Just go back, and what I would also like to show you is that this has no trouble playing a DivX and also an Xvid movie that I have on here. So just show you the DivX just quickly. Load straight away, no issue at all. Let's jump through the film. Also show you the Xvid. Again, we'll just jump straight in. Next thing to show you that's very impressive, this is a full 1080p, 1920 by 1080p Apple movie file.
So where are we going?
Getting out of Dodge. I'm not about to let Selfridge depart.
Now this is playing smoothly, and I can't get this to play smoothly on anything else, and this device does support 1080p out, so I should hope it does this.
Please be far.
Means you gotta see where you're going.
Can't see anything.
Exactly.
Next thing to show you is a high definition Windows movie file. It's 720p, 1280 by 720, but the overall bitrate on this movie is about 6 megabits per second. So there we are. In brief, I won't promise that there's no video that this won't play, but given quite a selection of videos that we've thrown at it in a variety of formats and with very high resolutions and bit rates, this thing just doesn't trip up. Just going to take you into the settings and show you that the HDMI option is there. Let's see, it's probably sound and display. HDMI settings, and there you are. You can choose either 1080p at 60 Hz or 720p at 60 Hz, and it's set by default to 1080p output. Just going to take a quick look at what you get in the box, as well as your tablet, and as well as the nice case. You also get a stylus, which you can attach and detach, presumably to use like that. Quite nice. You also get a cable to attach to the mini USB port, so you can attach devices, keyboards, mice, USB modems, that sort of thing, as support becomes available. You get provided with a USB cable to run it to your computer, and the obligatory Chinese headphones. And last but not least, a very nice, quite high quality, gold-tipped mini HDMI to standard HDMI cable. Maybe around about ½ meter in there. And that about wraps this up. Thanks for watching.